Hello, so in this video I will tell you how you can add TomoChain network to MetaMask Chrome extension. So first of all, you can come over to this article. So I will provide the link of this article in the description of this video. So here you can read about the EVM powered network. So Tomo network is another EVM powered network that we can add to MetaMask to do some transaction. So there are two types of Tomo network. We have the Tomo main network and we have the test network as well. So we use the test network to do some fake transactions, and we can test the smart contract and the project doing the fake transactions using fake coins. But in main network we have to use the real coins. So you have to see which one you want to add. Like if you want to add the main network to do some real transaction using real coins, or if you just want to generate some fake coins and do some fake transactions to confirm the authenticity of the smart contract and the project. So before we move forward to the video, I want to show you this project that I created using Polygon Mumbai test network. So this is NFT marketplace and I can provide you source code for that. If you need, you can contact me for that, and I have provided the details of the of my contacts in the description of the video. So here is the step-by-step guide to add the EVM powered network to MetaMask. So first of all, you have to create your account on MetaMask and you have to set up the wallet, and then we will have to go to chain list and we have to select the network, and then we can add the network to MetaMask. So to do that, to start with it practically, you will need to click on this button, and here you can select any network that you want to add to MetaMask. So here in this case we want to add Tomo network. So here you can see TomoChain network, and we have this main network and we have the test network. So you can add any of them to MetaMask. So just make sure you have the MetaMask wallet set up, and then you will just click on add to MetaMask, and now you will have to approve the confirmation, and you can just approve it, and after switching the network you will be able to do the transaction. So I have added the main network, but you can also add the test network. So here you can see we have the Tomo chain network, and after adding it you will see the Ethereum mainnet and Tomo chain network. So if you want to add any of the other of these, you can just go to you can just search for it and you can add it to the MetaMask. So thank you for watching this video. Like this video and subscribe to my channel for more related videos, and let me know if you need the source code. So thank you, see you next time.